Hey everyone, it is Alex Branning, the CEO of Agent CRM. I'm here today to introduce the Revenue Plus program. This is all about creating new revenue opportunities for your business. As the CEO of Agent CRM, I have two big jobs. One is supporting my team at the highest level possible, whether that's encouraging them, training them, investing in them. That's what I do as the CEO. I'm all about supporting the team. The second thing, for Agent CRM users, I ask myself two questions every single day. It's on my phone screen when I wake up. How can I help Agent CRM users save more time? And then how can I help Agent CRM users make more money? And Revenue Plus is about helping Agent CRM users make more money with the people that you are already serving, that already trust you, that have already decided to do business with you. And this is a way to unlock some new revenue opportunities. Now, the Agent CRM Revenue Plus program is inside of Agent CRM. You can access it by going to the left-hand menu inside of the browser-based version of Agent CRM. Now, I'm going to walk you through what you're going to see in there when you click on that button. But it started with a question of me going, how can I help my agents generate a new revenue stream and serve my clients at the highest level? I love hopping on private calls with my users and just learning more about their business and getting really good questions and ideas. And one of the consistent things that gets brought up when I talk to users is, Alex, I'm looking for ways to generate more revenue. I'm looking for ways to grow my team. I'm looking for ways so that I can serve the people that are attracted to me at a higher level. I want to be able to offer them more services. I want to be able to protect families more. I want to be able to show them other ways that I can serve and support them in their dreams. And Revenue Plus is about leveraging relationships with high-end referral partners. So here's the quick overview. Revenue Plus gives you, Agent CRM users, easy access to a wide range of new products and services that provide more value to your current clientele. And it doesn't require more of your time or any financial investment. One of the things that I look at is, how can I offer an additional tool where I'm still saving agents time, but I'm also able to help them generate more revenue? That was the inspiration behind ScheduleBot, our AI SMS powered bot that we released earlier this year. ScheduleBot it had the same goal. How can I help you make more money without spending more time or money? In the same way, Revenue Plus is about how to help you not have to use more time, but you are able to generate more revenue from the people that are in your database. We have scoured the market to find verified high-end partners, and we have set up the whole process to make it incredibly simple for you. So the people that you find in the Revenue Plus program are people that we have spoken to directly. We have verified that they are really, really good at what they do. We have talked to we have asked for case studies. We have talked to people that have worked with them. We have done our homework. We are also making sure that you have access to talk to these referral partners directly. We want to make sure that as you see some of these opportunities, you're able to reach out and contact them to have a one-to-one conversation before you decide to do any type of business with them. And transparency is huge. Every single one of these referral partners is required to have a transparent way for you as the Agent CRM user to see how many leads ask for more information, how many of them purchased, when can you expect to get paid from the referrals that you sent them, etc. Now, this is a completely free service provided by us at Agent CRM to users like you. With Revenue Plus, you have the opportunity to add a new revenue stream to your business by referring your leads to these providers. This program, as of today, is in its infancy. Today's day one. So you're not going to see a lot of different providers in there, but we are actively working behind the scenes with a half dozen providers right now. I guarantee you, as soon as we announce this, we're going to have a lot more. And we're going to continue to be able to offer you a way to make more revenue from the leads that you currently have in your system. And the idea is that you're able to set up your leads and your clients with some of these high-end vendors so that you're able to serve your clients by helping them find good people that will, fill these gaps. And you, in the referral process, will be able to generate additional revenue from these introductions. Now, you get to decide if you want to add any of these people to your offerings. There's no pressure or commitments. As we roll this out, you're going to see some vendors that you are really excited about. And you're also going to see some vendors or products that simply don't align with the people that you're looking to serve. And that's okay. My goal is to continue finding really, really, really good vendors that can handle the amount of people that we're going to send them, because Agent CRM, as of now, serves over 5,000 agents. And can you imagine if just 10% of you found one of our new Revenue Plus opportunities and said, man, I'm going to send them one person? That would be 500 leads in the matter of, let's say, a week. You got to have someone who can handle that, handle it well, handle it transparently, and have all the back-end processes in place to be able to continue delivering at that sort of volume. So as we release new vendors and new opportunities, I want you to evaluate them and see who they are a fit for in your database. And if they're not, that's all good. If there are people that you want us to work with to set it up so that you have the marketing material ready to go, and we're able to help you introduce your leads to vendors that you believe would be a good fit, I'd love to hear from you on that as well. Now, I've negotiated a very lucrative referral compensation program with each vendor that we add to the Revenue Plus program, so that as your clients take action, you get paid. Here's the worst case scenario. You send your list, an invitation to learn more about one of these vendors, and the people that are on your list decide that they are not interested. That is the worst case scenario, period. In other words, nothing changes in your business. Here's the best case scenario. People receive the emails that you send them, introducing them to learn more about one of these Revenue Plus opportunities. They will respond either positively and go, you know what? I do want to learn about this. I'll check it out and set up a phone call, or I'll click the link to go learn more on the website. Or they'll respond neutrally and go, well, this isn't something I'm looking for right now. The way that the emails are written is you saying, hey, I don't know if this is a fit, but here's an opportunity to learn more about this vendor, about this service, about this product that I now have a referral partnership with. You are not pushing them in a high pressure email. The emails that we have written for you for the Revenue Plus opportunities are written in a very low pressure way, where you're simply encouraging your list to check it out, see if it's a fit. You don't have to do the sales on any of this or the fulfillment. You let your clients know about the opportunities to work with the vendors. If they decide to take action, then you will get paid. So, for example, we have one of our first Revenue Plus opportunities with a company called the Annuity Experts. Now, many of you that are on this call, you already sell annuities. So this opportunity would not be a fit for you, and that's okay. For those of you that do not currently sell annuities, I think this is a great opportunity to introduce your list to someone that could help them. Now, you can refer them over to Ryan and his team. Ryan will get on the phone with them, talk to them about annuities, see if it's a fit, and then after the second or third call, introduce them to what he thinks would be the best annuity for them to take action on. If they take action, great. You get paid a percentage of that commission. We'll go over that a little bit more for that specific opportunity. But you do not have to do the sale for, in this case, the annuity. You do not fulfill it. You are not responsible for it. After everything closes, you get paid. And what was your task? you sent them an email saying, hey, I want to introduce you to a referral partner that I found. His name is Ryan. Do you see how easy that is? Right? See how you now have a whole new revenue stream without you having to do the sales or the fulfillment or the licensing or even really having a lot of product knowledge. This is what Revenue Plus is all about. It's about putting you as the agent in a position where you can earn more from the users that you are now, where they trust you, right? They've already started working with you, or they've already talked to you and they had a good conversation, even if they didn't decide to take action. Whether they're a current client or someone that knows you from a previous conversation, you have an opportunity now with Revenue Plus to earn additional money from that relationship. How? By serving them, by introducing them to someone that you think might be a fit in a very low pressure email. They either decide to take action now, or they decide to hold that email in their inbox and look at it later. Either way, the emails are set up so that they have a positive feeling after reading it. Here's how the process works from start to finish. When you sign up for a vendor through Revenue Plus, we will import a snapshot of their marketing materials into your account. That means you'll have immediate access to their materials, ready for you to add your personal touch and send them out to your list. As with the case of all of our click and play assets, we encourage you to add your personal touch to it. Add your branding, maybe add your personal story to it if applicable. But the goal is to give you the framework for these emails with your custom personalized link, and then invite you to add to it, modify it so it feels like it's coming from you, and then send it out. All you have to do to add these revenue streams to your business is tweak the emails so that they go out to the people that you add to that specific workflow. That's it. As you talk to people in your day-to-day selling your core product, you can identify who you think may be a fit for the various revenue streams that we will be adding to your business. Then you can add those people to the workflows that you have in your Agent CRM account, inviting them to jump on a call with some of these Revenue Plus partners. And if they decide to take action, you get paid. It's that simple. Isn't that cool? Now, each of our partners has a transparent system. So you'll be able to see which of your clients took the first step, which clients ended up completing the purchase, and when you'll get paid by the partner. We talked to a lot of people who wanted to be a part of Revenue Plus, but there was various ways that they fell short of our expectations, and many of them simply didn't have a good, transparent system so that you, as the agent, can keep track of the revenue that you can expect from these various referral partners. So we have done the hard work of making sure that each of these partners is able to serve you and your clients at a high level and keep you aware of what's going on. Many of our partners, including the annuity experts, invite you as the agent to jump on the calls from the leads that you have sent them. It could be a handoff where you can let them take it all the way, or it could be something where you are on the calls as well. It is totally up to you. You have the opportunity to talk to each of these vendor partners and say, here's how I want to work with you, and then take the process from there. Revenue Plus exists to make your life easier and boost the amount of revenue you can earn per lead in your database, growing your business without any additional expenses. And I'd also like to add, without any additional time. Once you've tweaked those workflows, they're ready to go for as long as you're with us. Now, if you're ready to explore the possibilities, here's what you do. You simply sign up for the Revenue Plus opportunities that are available now inside of your Agent CRM account. You find them by opening up your Agent CRM account, scrolling down the left-hand menu and clicking on Revenue Plus, and then going from there. Right now, you'll see a few different options in there. And like I said, we will be adding on a regular basis. So you can expect new Revenue Plus opportunities as we add more. Now, we are absolutely thrilled to offer you this. We have been working hard as a team on this since the beginning of the year. And honestly, I believe that this is going to be one of those things that we have added on to Agent CRM that's going to be a game changer, not just um, for us to be able to say, hey, we offer this, but I really think it's going to be huge for you. I mean, if you were to, add, let's say, out of everyone you worked with, you're able to add a revenue plus cross-sell opportunity and upsell, let's say 10% of your book of business right now, 10% of people taking advantage of an opportunity, that could be a huge new revenue stream for you, right? I mean, massive comparatively, right? I mean, this could be a huge exponential growth opportunity for you. That's my goal. I want you to look at this and go, wow, like Agent CRM helped me save time and make more money. But when they announced Revenue Plus and I added that to my business went on a whole other level. It skyrocketed to an entirely different revenue level based on the relationships that Agent CRM spoon fed me through the Revenue Plus program. That's my goal.